The cockpit drill, also known as DSSSM, we'll go through that in a moment, is a simple, easy and quick procedure just to go through to make sure that the car is set up safely and comfortably for you. Firstly, what does DSSSM actually stand for? So we've got doors, seat, steering, seatbelt and mirrors. So, D, doors. It's just about making sure that they're shut. Sounds obvious, but it's always just worth checking. The first of our three S's is seat. This is making sure that your seat and your seating position is comfortable and that you can maintain it throughout the entirety of the drive without having to shuffle or slouch or move. Such as being able to comfortably reach the pedals, being able to switch from one pedal to the next without catching anything and with it being controlled. You may want to make sure that you've got a slight bend in your knee and you want to be relatively upright. Overall, we're looking for a combination of both comfortable and controlled. The head restraint also comes under this, just making sure it's in the right position to suit you so that the rigid part is in line with roughly the top of your ears or your eyes. That way, should it be needed, it's there. Our second S is the steering wheel. You just want to make sure that you're a good distance away from it so that you're not cramped up, but you also don't want to be outstretched arms either. Neither of those are going to be particularly comfortable or controlled. You just want a bit of a bend in your elbow. That's ideal. Our third S is seatbelt. Firstly, it's a legal requirement. We need to have it on when driving. We also want to make sure that it's positioned correctly, that it's not twisted and it's across our chest. It also takes just a second to pull it at the top and pull it at the bottom. Just make sure that if you need the seatbelt to do its job, that it will. You don't want to realise there's a problem with it when you need it. Lastly is our mirrors. It's important to set your mirrors last because if you've set your mirrors first and then need to, for example, change your seating position, then your mirrors won't actually be lined up when you move off. And it can be easy to set your mirrors, sort your chair, forget to check. You don't want to be on the road to realise that you can't see what you need to see. While adjusting and sorting out the mirrors, it is important to make sure that you're sat in what you would deem will be your comfortable driving position. Some people find when they drive, they may actually slouch down a little bit, but you also want to make sure that you're not leaning forwards when you do it. Because if you sort your mirrors out while you're like that, and then turns out when you drive and you sit here, they may not quite be right. So, the mirror positioning. You've got the centre mirror, the left wing mirror, and the right wing mirror. From the centre mirror, you just want to be able to see directly out of that rear windscreen. Your left mirror and your right mirror, you want to make sure that you can see a little bit of the car, being able to see both door handles and being able to see plenty of the road. If we do move off and you realise actually you've taken up a different position and your mirrors aren't quite right, just let me know. We'll park up, we'll sort them, no problem. With the cockpit drill, take your time. Make sure that you're happy with it. Once we've done that, we can then move on and start discussing moving off the car. My next video will be based on what to do to get the car ready to move, along with the effective observations that we need to do to make sure it's safe to do so. So keep an eye out for that. And thank you again for watching.